Perhaps the most beautiful mountain in Hungary nests the Saint-Gobain Weber factory and its 120-year-old mine. The Dolomite mine on the border of Pilisvörösvár also reflects one of our most important values, sustainability. As far as our production processes go, a key goal is to leave behind a viable environment for the next generation. And being a company committed to environmentally conscious extraction, we redeem all the benefits we are gaining from the Pilis Mountains in symbiosis with nature. Our products are also made in the spirit of sustainability to serve as raw materials for today's environmentally conscious buildings. As the heir of the former Terra Nova factory, we at the Weber factory in Pilisvörösvár strive to satisfy our customers to ensure the sustainable development of the construction industry, while taking responsible measures for the benefit of our colleagues, the town that we consider our home, and a wonderful environment, the Pilis.
Weber, we care.